Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on push notifications for Facebook Live videos, so you never miss a broadcast from your favorite pages or friends. Facebook Live is an excellent way for people and businesses to connect with their audience in real time. By default, Facebook sends notifications when someone you're connected to starts a live video. However, if you're not receiving these notifications or want to ensure you're set up correctly, here's how to do it. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Next, tap the menu icon. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines, and it's typically found in the top right corner of the app. Once the menu is open, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy. Tap it to expand the options, and then select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down to the Notifications section. Here you'll find various notification settings. Tap on Video. Finally, on the video settings screen, you'll see a toggle for push notifications. Simply toggle this switch to the on position. By enabling this, you'll receive push notifications for live videos and other video updates right on your phone. And that's it. You've successfully turned on push notifications for live videos on Facebook. Now, you'll receive a notification whenever a page you follow or a friend starts a live broadcast. This way, you can stay updated and join in on the live action as it happens. You can also customize notifications for a specific page. To do this, navigate to the Facebook page you follow. Then tap the 3 dots below the page's banner and select Following. Next, tap the Get Notifications toggle to turn on all notifications, including live videos. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips on using social media effectively. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.